I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get.
Hello you guys, welcome to another video. This video is actually going up on a Monday because it was Father's Day weekend and we wanted to spend time with my husband and make him feel special because it was his special day. And I hope you guys enjoyed your Father's Day as well with the special daddies in your life.
Drive someplace far. Yeah, we could go for.
I wanted to do a quick clean with me, so that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video, just going around the house and doing some quick cleaning. And one of the things that I wanted to do was to clean my windows. My little one tends to stand in the window when he's looking out. If there's a truck that drives by, he wants to see it, so his little fingerprints are always in the window. So I like to once in a while go ahead and wipe the glass down because you literally see fingerprints everywhere.
If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I, I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Maybe make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out.
I took a quick break from cleaning inside and then I came outside because I wanted to clean my front door. I had so many cobwebs and other dead bugs and it was so gross. So I wanted to show you guys how it looked here, and my mat was so disgusting. I don't even know what was on there, but I needed to give it a good wash. So I wanted to sweep everything before I brought in the hose to wash down the cobwebs.
Behind, if you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I. What this is, yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die. I can hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light.
after tackling outside, I wanted to do a quick wipe down in my fridge. I really didn't have time for a full deep cleaning, which I know my fridge needs probably, but I wanted to organize the shelves and put things in a nice order because I was gonna go grocery shopping the next day. So I like to come home with my groceries and be able to find space for everything. So here I was just wiping down the shelves and wiping down any sticky stuff that's on the shelf, spills from like the juice or even food. So I wanted to give it a quick wipe down, and that's exactly what I'm doing here.
You wanna leave behind, get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos, just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah, there's a remedy, remedy. Yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's a remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's a remedy, remedy, yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking around. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation out of this, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys.
from within. You can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess.